Class starts February. This is so hard for me to. February. Oh my god! And this is my birthday in February, and this is bad. Hey guys, it's Domino. I'm so excited to announce that 30-Day Drummer by Drumeo is back. This is a different kind of course where you'll learn to play the drums by focusing on consistent daily practice. You'll play along with me every day for 30 days, and by the end of the month, you'll have the skills to play hundreds of your favorite pop and rock songs on the drums. Plus, you'll have a weekly live Q&A where you can ask questions and connect with other students. The best part is, you only need 10 minutes per day. In the first class, we had more than 8,000 people learn to play the drums in just 30 days. And now's your chance to join the second ever class. The second ever edition of 30-Day Drummer starts February 27th and enrollment is open now. Click the link to see all the details, and I'm so excited to see you inside the course.
Nailed that. February.
Yeah, February.